Hello viewers, welcome to onearcher.com, and in this segment of yet another unboxing video, we will be unboxing this white color envelope I have received from Avishkar of Nashik. I did receive this envelope on 21st of June 2021. Let's unbox this and see the currencies coming out of this sealed envelope.
This was a nicely packed package received by me from Avishkar of Nashik, India. The first one is a 1 paisa of princely state of Baroda, previously ruled by the Gaekwad. This currency was introduced in 1940s. The second one is by metal coins from Nigeria. This is a 2 Nigerian Naira. The third one in the unboxing series is a 5 Soles de Oro of Peru with 2 signatures. On the obverse is the portrait of Inca Pachacútec, and on the reverse is Sacsayhuamán fortress. This banknote was issued in 1969 and printed by Thomas de la Rue, London. The fourth one is the $1 bill of Trinidad and Tobago, which is part of American continent. This is the latest polymer edition banknote of the country. On the obverse is Scarlet ibis, coat of arms, and flag, and the reverse is Central Bank Building in Eric Williams Financial Complex, Parliament Building, or Red House in Port of Spain. The fifth one is an odd denominated 1951 state bank notes of 3 levs of Bulgaria. On the reverse is star, hands holding hammer and sickle, and on the obverse is coat of arms of Bulgaria. The sixth one is 1951 state bank notes of 5 levs of Bulgaria. On the obverse is coat of arms of Bulgaria, and on the reverse is star, hands holding hammer and sickle. The seventh one is 10 leva of Bulgaria issued by Bulgarska Narodna Banka in 1951. On the obverse is the portrait of Georgy Dimitrov, who was a Bulgarian communist politician, along with coat of arms, and on the reverse is tractor tilling the field. The eighth one is odd denominated currency of 25 leva of Bulgaria. On the obverse is the portrait of Georgy Dimitrov along with coat of arms, and on the reverse is a railroad construction. The ninth one is 50 leva of Bulgaria. On the obverse is the portrait of Georgy Dimitrov, who was a Bulgarian communist politician, along with coat of arms, and on the reverse is a woman with her flower harvest. The 10th one is 100 leva of Bulgaria. On the obverse is the portrait of Georgy Dimitrov, who was a Bulgarian communist politician, along with coat of arms, and on the reverse is a woman with her grape harvest. The 11th one is 200 leva of Bulgaria. On the obverse is the portrait of Georgy Dimitrov, who was a Bulgarian communist politician, along with coat of arms, and on the reverse are women doing tobacco harvest.